Hey, it's H here, and on today's video we're checking out Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin had a small pump on the last night and we went straight through this resistance that we were previously locating here. This move invalidated some counts, so let's check out what happened. Now this is the first one that it invalidated. This triangle idea that a lot of people were looking at. When the price goes above C here and especially above A, the triangle gets invalidated because the last or the E just can't go past these in price. So this whole count is invalidated. Now the next count I wanted to share is this one. So again, we're coming down on the same WXY and X aiming higher. Now the issue with this count is just A, B. How do we get B here? The fibs line up, but the wave structure really doesn't, or at least the B. We need 3 waves to B, but the last wave here should be 5 waves. Now we could argue having the wave B here, but getting closer and checking out the wave count for this part. Hello? And we're back. I don't know, I had to restart Tradingview. Let's hide this one. So again, we were looking at this wave structure here, and for this to become a 1 and leave us higher, we would need to fit 5 waves in here. Now, is it possible? Sure. But is it likely? Not really. This structure here is just weird. To me, this looks like this part, this first part here. This right here is 1 move, then we could have possibly 1 move here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving us this 3 wave move. Again, what would that mean? That would mean again more downside, as we did. Now again, we could argue, I guess, having these 5 waves down here, ending a count here somehow, but how are we going to explain this? This is not an expanding diagonal or something, it just is too big. Now, having another thought about this is we're replacing the B wave with an X. So we're having WXY. Now this gives us an option. Oh, this is wrong. A should be down here. B, C. There we go. So ABC, ABC, ABC. And we are ending here instead of here. This allows us to create some kind of structure up into this point. Now, having the B wave here would allow us this 5-way move that I've marked up or labeled. So A, B, and then C up to this end of X. Now this would be, we can check out how much it retraced. Not like that. The retracement tool. Around 618. The golden zone here. Now, why I don't think again this would be B wave is just because of that retracement. We didn't come up to flat. Now if we have the B here, creating this B here, we would need the 5 waves either here, or this would be 1, 2, and we would be making really high 3, 4, 5, and that would be the X. Now if we have the X here, we would have W, X, and this would be Y with 3 waves, A, B, C. This would allow us again have this final 5-wave move up. How high this would be, I'm not sure. And getting 5 waves into here is kind of messy again. Unfortunately, none of this structure is really clear, and it is 3-wave-ish again. As you see here, from these lows up to here, this looks like 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move. Now that is not really a problem, since we can have diagonals with 3 waves, right? So we can have a leading diagonal up to 1 here, then some kind of a, this is a flat I think, down here, and then starting our 3rd wave. Let's see the volume here. Volume starting to pick up already here, but it is not clear again. We got this spike here, and I think this was the Asia time opening, or not even that. No, this was before Asia was open. Okay. But compared to the other spikes, it was lower. It is definitely not clear to me what this is. This definitely could be some kind of wave 3, then expecting wave 4, and then wave 5 into C, into X. And that is my main count, I think. That makes most sense. Again, I am mid-term bearish for this 4th, and long-term bullish. Short-term bullish again as well. Well, depending on how short-term you mean. I'm looking for some kind of move down and then up. But yeah, I think that's all the counts I wanted to present to you. I guess this moon boy count is not invalidated. If we come down here again, it gets invalidated. But getting these 5-wave moves is a bit tricky. So it's definitely not my main option right now. But yeah, if you would like me to create a Elliott Wave count for another asset, let me know down in the comment section below, and I might take a look at it. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.